give him a love tap.
Oh, sure. Great plan. Do you have your coffee black?
Yes, it's straight black. No creamer, no milk, no sugar. Oh, can you pull the mirror into, please?
Yeah.
I'll try to keep the speed down so it doesn't get too dusty.
Okay.
I imagine you don't like choking on my dust, so...
I mean, it's a little bit of nature mixed in with the factory made food.
Yeah. Hey, it's making your food natural.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you mind asking who took up the rear? Cause I can only see like
It's a
3
big
vehicles.
one, right?
Yeah, let's push to talk.
Hey, who's taking up the rear? No.
I'm not sure.
This was probably much rougher during the winter.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can probably see some of the ruts back there on the side. And,
Oh, yeah, I think I did.
yeah, they graded this out. It would be a lot more difficult if they didn't.
Gotcha. Do you think this will still stay flat on the back floor even with the jumping around?
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna test that theory.
If the hit's big enough, it'll flop on its side, but I'm taking it easy on the speeds, so...
Okay.
Angles and dangles.
Ew.
What's up?
Oh, I just said wee hoo.
Oh, okay. Like a roller coaster, right?
Yeah. I felt really dumb talking to Michael. I don't even remember what I said, but I just remember asking a few questions and he answered it in like 2 words. I was like,
Yeah.
oh.
Hey, some questions are simple. It's okay.
I see a finesse in the building.
Yeah.
I just realized I never called the person back from earlier. Whoops. Probably my dad. Let's be real. Keep ringing, keep ringing. You can do it.
Almost there.
Darn it, just missed it.
Who was it?
I don't know yet. Somebody texted me. They're probably leaving the voice notes. Yep, it was my dad.
Okay. have drank a little more coffee. Oh well.
Well, if you ever want to teach me how to off-road, then I could drive while you drink coffee.
I don't know. Do you want to?
At some point, probably not today.
Okay. Maybe on the way back we can do a few easy spots, just so you can get used to it.
All right. What, like at the end of the thing today?
Yeah.
All right, if we have time, sure.
And to be fair, this is a fairly easy trail, so
Yeah.
maybe I should have taken my tire pressure down a little. Oh well. I mean, they're basically they were just a set of stock springs that had like 500 miles on them. I'm gonna stop for a minute.
Okay.
I think there's space here, and I just want to see if everyone actually got through.